Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a 10-minute yoga and mobility routine that you can use day to day to energize and wake up the body. We start in standing position. Inhale, reach up with your hands. Exhale, fold all the way down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Hold the breath, send the legs back. Exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right foot outside the right hand, left knee down. Inhale, right hand to the sky. Exhale, forearm to the ground. Repeat this flow a few more times. Now bring both forearms to the ground and stay here, feeling the hip opening. When you're ready, send the leg back again to downward facing dog. Left side now. Left leg up on an inhale. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, forearm to the ground. Continue in your own pace. Last one, inhale, open your chest up. Exhale, bring both forearms to the ground or try to grab the left leg like I do. Stay here, feel your hip opening. And when you're ready, send both legs back to downward facing dog. Now for the second flow, let's meet in Malasana or Asian squat. Try to find the perfect squat here, neutralize your body, and when you're ready, use the power of your feet to push your knees, tapping on the ground, one knee after another. Hands extended forward, stay strong and find your balance. Come back to Malasana, hands in prayer position. And when you're ready, let's twist to the sides with arms reaching up. Again, back to Malasana. This time we're gonna flow between Malasana and forward fold. Inhale, reach up in squat. Exhale, fold forward. Continue connecting breath with movement. Last one, stay in fold forward, grab your elbows and sway from side to side. Now open your legs to the sides. Inhale, look up, open the chest. Exhale, fold through the hips. Support yourself with the hands and try to bring the head on the ground. Feel your hips opening here for a bit. Then we're gonna flow in Skadasana or one leg squat. One side after another. Stay strong and find your balance. If you feel more comfortable, you can extend the hands forward and keep flowing, one leg after another. Stay in the right leg squat. Let's try to go for a bind. Interlacing both hands behind your back. Stay here for a bit. Then let's move it to the other side. Squat to the left and go for a bind. Feel your hips opening as well as your chest. Now release your hands. Bend the right knee and push your body forwards toward the front of your mat. Drop the shin parallel to your mat, finding your pigeon pose. We're gonna stay here for a bit, so find your variation. You can stay here or go all the way down. Or if you want, you can grab the other leg and try to go for a bind. Release this pigeon pose, push yourself up to high lunge. Then let's move it to the other side, bringing yourself to pigeon pose with left leg. Again, we're going to stay here, so find your variation. Release this pose and let's meet in a seated position. Extend the right leg and bend the left knee. Grab the right foot with the right hand and the left knee with the left hand. Inhale, pull your knee towards the chest. Exhale, push it down. Continue connecting breath with movement, feeling your hip becoming softer and softer. Release the left knee, inhale, reach up with your hands, look up. Exhale, bend forward, try to grab the right foot, flexing it towards you. Keep breathing here. On every inhale, expand your chest. On every exhale, see if you can bend deeper. Inhale, reach up, let's move it to the other side. Extend the left leg, bend the right leg. Try to grab the knee and the foot. Inhale, bring the knee closer to the chest. Exhale, push it away to the ground. Keep connecting breath with movement, softening the hip flexor. Release the knee. Inhale, reach up with the hands. Exhale, fold over the extended leg. Stay here, keep breathing, and try to bend deeper on each exhale. Inhale, push your torso back up again. Extend both legs. Inhale, flex both toes towards you. Exhale, point them out. Keep softening the ankles, connecting breath with movements. And for the final move, inhale, reach up with the hands, exhale, bend over both legs. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for practicing with me. See you in the next one.